Hey guys, Ronald here. Today I'm going to show you how to repurpose this monitor stand. The monitor has been sent to the junkyard, but I wanted to leave behind this monitor stand because I wanted to repurpose it. Okay, the process is to just put a magnet on this one. I'd like to put two pieces of magnet. You can buy some neodymium magnet, the strongest magnet available right now. You can buy them online. But this one, I got this from, I don't know from what equipment. The thing that you need is you also need to put a metal sheet that you also can buy online on your phone. And then attach it here. And you have an instant phone holder if you are doing some vlogging. And if you want to have a panoramic view, you can just twist the phone like that, and voila, you now have a mobile phone stand. You may need to put extra sheet of metal plate if what you are trying to put in here is a tablet, because it's a lot heavier, or maybe an additional magnet. Okay, so that's how I would like to repurpose this one. I hope you like the idea, and looking forward to seeing you again on our next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.